Hi everyone, welcome to Geek Decoder's Power BI channel. So today I'm going to do a tutorial. The tutorial is how to add custom background image to your Power BI dashboard. So let's go to the tutorial and see how we can do that.
Press subscribe and click the bell icon, so you will never miss any Power BI updates from Geek Decoders.
First you have to develop a custom image. So here I'm using PowerPoint to develop the custom image. So let's see how we can do that. So here we'll remove these things, so those might not be necessary for us, right? And here we select format background, and here I will use picture and text. Here I'll go insert and online pictures. Here I use background, so here I'll be using this one and insert it. Right, so my background is ready now. Now I'm inserting a small word art to this. I'll be using, okay, let's say this one. Right, so here I'll edit it down like this. Right, so now I will save this PowerPoint or this slide as an image. So just remember, when you are saving the file, saving this PPT, save it as jpg.jpg version. So that is very important. So now open your jpg file in Paint, and then have some placeholders as you wish here, because so those placeholders we use to embed our Power BI visuals. So here I will this one, and I will cut some places in this image like this. So you can do it as you want. So here I will use I will have 3 places like this. Right, then I'll save the file again. Right, so here we are in the Power BI dashboard. So go here, and here there's an option called page background. So in this option, go to page background. Right here you can have an option called add image. So go and click add image. Now open the background image that we have created. Right, so now background image is inserted here. Now very important factor, so here go and make the transparency as 0. Right, so let's say if we increase the transparency, what will happen here? So you can't see this image, so that's why we set the transparency to 0. So then as you can see, that placeholders that clearly that you can visual. So here in this placeholders I will add some visuals. Here there's a card visual that I will add to this placeholder. Here I'll give sales value to this. Right, and then in this placeholder I will add a small graph. Sorry, for this placeholder I will add a small graph. So I will use sales country and then sales value. Right, and in this one I will add anything that you can add. Let's say we add a small slicer. So likewise you can design your Power BI as you wish according to the image that you will give here. So this is the most easiest method that I have come across to create, background images, especially let's say if you are developing a Power BI dashboard to your company. So this might be very useful for you to create a custom background image with the logos and everything. So thanks for watching my video, and please comment if you have any questions. Please share it with your friends, and please subscribe my channel for more Power BI videos.